Welcome to the PIXXO Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to blink an LED using a push button connected to an Arduino Uno board using Proteus simulation. First, let's see the components we need for this project. We need an Arduino Uno board, one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, one push button. Go to Pick Devices and search for the required components. Add the Arduino Uno, LED, resistor, and push button to the workspace. After placing the components, also add a ground terminal. Now let's connect the circuit. First, connect digital pin 13 of the Arduino to one side of the resistor. Then connect the other side of the resistor to the LED. Finally, connect the LED to the ground terminal. Next, we connect the push button. Connect digital pin 2 of the Arduino to one side of the push button. Then connect the other side of the push button to ground. Now change the resistor value to 220 ohms. Next, we need to upload the Arduino code. Open the Arduino IDE. Copy the code and paste it into the editor. Then select the correct Arduino board from the Tools menu. After that, save the file. Now go to Sketch and click Export Compiled Binary. This will generate a hex file, which is the compiled program used by Proteus to run the Arduino simulation. Now return to Proteus. Double-click on the Arduino Uno board. In the Properties window, find the Program File option. Click the folder icon and select the hex file generated from the Arduino IDE. After selecting the hex file, click OK. Now the code is loaded into the Arduino. Click the Run Simulation button. When you press the push button, the LED connected to pin 13 will start blinking. This is how you can simulate Arduino projects in Proteus. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the PIXXO Tech channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming Arduino tutorials. See you in the next video.